How to fix TikTok messages not sending. So if you're facing a problem with TikTok messages, then first of all open up your TikTok application, and if you're not being able to message on TikTok, then the first reason is you are not the age of about 16 years. So in TikTok, if you want to message someone, then you should be about 16 years. So if you're not that, then you can simply go and change your date of birth, and then you can message it. But if you're above 16, if you don't have an option to message, or if you are not being able to message someone, then the first thing you need to do is you have to update your application. So if you don't have the latest version, or if you don't have the updated version, then you might find this kind of problem. So to update, first you have to open up your Play Store, and then you can go for the search bar and then search for TikTok. And after searching here, you will have this application. So instead of this open option, if you have an update option, you can simply tap on update, and you have to update your TikTok application. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can open up your settings and then go for apps and notifications, and here you can open up your TikTok application under your settings, and you can go for storage and cache, and here you will have clear cache option. You can simply tap on that, or you can also go for clear storage if you remember your login information. And after that, if you tap on clear storage, then you have to again log into your TikTok account. So you can go back, and then you can simply restart your device, or you can turn your Wi-Fi connection. You can turn that off, and then you can again turn that on. And if all these fixes doesn't work, then you can go for TikTok, and here if you go to your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then if you go to the upper right corner, which has the 3 bar icon, and then you can go for settings and privacy, and if you scroll down here, you will have report a problem. Tap on that, and then if you scroll down again, you can have an option on the bottom of your screen which says submit a problem. Tap on submit a problem, and here you have to write that I'm not being able to message someone, and you can simply add some screenshots if you want. And after writing that, you should provide your email address or your TikTok username, and after that you can simply tap on submit, which is on the middle of your screen, and that's it. After that, TikTok will help you with some steps. It will guide you with some steps. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.